So this is the point of reference here. We're still okay there? So when you step up, do not do this. The hands will move, then stop. Then the rest of the body will come in without pushing. And if there's somebody here, it's not possible to be here. Okay, it's possible to be here. Then you get in a little bit, get in a little bit, and even the elbow, get in a little bit. At this point, you feel like you're falling down, but you have to do this until you absolutely cannot move anymore. Any move, you're not even going to yell. It's like you think you'll die. And at this point here, don't move, sink, relax, only here. That's the move. And everything is dependent on that move. So the exercises we did here, twisting the towel, touch your opponent. Only hit your hand with your elbow. Like this. If you go like this, there's no power. It's here, then go. So I'll show this again. So in fighting here, can you see touch here, adjust, feel horrible, reduce all of that to 3, touch, in, out. 3 sections. So come over here, go like this. I'll touch him like this. You can go a little bit lower. Touch, in, drop. Can you see that? Yeah, you stay there, it doesn't matter. So when I touch him, this is more difficult because this is his arm, not his body. We always want to do this. But can you see? Drop. And if I push him like this here, it won't work. So now actually you can push me. See, on that push, watch again, go back. This is normal, we do it several times, go. This is normal. Now push, I don't do anything. This time I'll do something. Can you see I got in closer? My rear foot only closed a little bit. And when I go quickly, he does not know what this one is because I'm not doing anything. Once I'm here, can you see that move? If I don't go in, you cannot fight. So this is what happens. Can you tilt to the camera to see me here? This is the most difficult part because no human wants to do this move. It makes you look foolish. That's the one that works. Okay? So you touch either here or here. These can change. For the sake of learning, we use the same system because it's vertical is the same. But we use this so everybody does the same count. 1, 2, 3. At this point, push your hand. It pushes like this. When you are using it, your opponent will go away. And who goes away? Whoever cannot touch the wall. So the wall will never go away because it is the standard. That's why when I push, my body gets bounced. How far I bounce is how far my opponent will bounce. But most people, when you are here, you can hold on. If you have one little bit move, you're off. This off is the training. So, but that one is too slow. Like I can do it, you guys, once you're in, you don't know how to use power anymore because you're so trapped. Real power is a small move when you're trapped.